Hi guys, happy Wednesday. It is 4th of July and you can tell by my hair I just don't care today. But anyway, you know buddy, he's gotta cook it up. So oh my goodness, vegetarians beware. How many pounds is this?
So 13 pounds slab.
Alright, so he's gonna cut that up. We're just gonna be home today. We did some errands earlier. Everybody's off today in this household, especially you, mom. Just kidding, she's a senior citizen, she's retired.
Psych.
Get robbed. David Hasselhoff. I just got back from taking a little trip to Target. I ordered this online. Okay, so I actually ordered it to ship to me, but it was gonna, I need it for next week, and if I had it shipped to my house it would have come in after the event. So this is I know it's the older one, but hey, this was like on sale, so why not? And I got my accessories. I got an extra battery and a small extension pole and tripod. So I don't know if I wanted the big one or not, but I'm just gonna got that one for now. And of course you gotta get the memory card. So I'm gonna try this out, and maybe it'll motivate me to go to the beach more often. But anyway, I was gonna share that with that. Buddy's still cooking. We're gonna spend time with our neighbors, and that's how we're gonna spend the rest of our 4th of July this evening. Hi.
Oh, for real, bro. I put up the cans, you know. I put up the cans and they get all they get the stickers on them and in the middle and all the dump all his cans for you.
Like buddy.
Hey, if you come home, put it upside down, you keep fine.
All right, boy. Not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Just take a picture of the cake.
Body is
No what?
Which body is like that?
Oval.
Yeah, touch this one. Touch this one. Katina act. Hey, you still on camera, you know. So you get caught. Hey, yeah. So we come play. Now. Blow. Yay!